So you remember a few years ago I 3D printed this? So let's take a quick look at it and see how it turned out. Let me start out first by saying I'm surprised it's still up here. I didn't actually expect it to be up here. If you remember, we 3D printed this with PLA. I hit it with Flex Seal, and I see that there's some cracking around the ceiling, and yeah, it looks like the bottom of it did deteriorate. Well, I got to replace it anyway, so let's just kind of pull it up here. Looks like the backside of it's still hanging on there, but you can see where that bottom flange came loose. It looks like it just kind of baked under the black sealant. I'm actually just going to go ahead and pull it off. I actually pulled up on it and it came off a little bit better than I thought. But yeah, you can see it's deteriorated. I've got an actual cap to replace it with. I'll put a link. First I'll put the link up in the corner saying what video this was, and I'll put up how many years it's been since I put this up here. It's been a minute. Anyway, I've got the new vent for it, vent cover. It came in probably about a week or two after I put this on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. I'm not gonna bother you with that, but for 3D printing something, hit them with Flex Seal and that lasting, you know, more than a year, I know for sure, is a pretty good temporary fix. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.